Hello, my friends. From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents to chaotic collisions caused by out-of-control trucks or ignored traffic signs, it's all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe on the road. Buckle up and let's get started. Turning around without looking, the car crashed straight into an oncoming vehicle, causing it to flip several times before stopping near a roadside store. Luckily, no one was hurt. Some people throw trash, others throw motorbikes. If you crash and don't turn off the engine, your motorbike might just throw itself away. Stupidity to the point of inhumanity, the driver suddenly stopped in the middle of the highway. Thankfully, the truck driver reacted quickly and skillfully, preventing the situation from getting much worse. Three heroes in Bosnia decided to solve the problem of illegal parking in their own unique way. This electric bus probably wanted to attract attention by saying, "I'm not just environmentally friendly, I also know how to heat up the atmosphere." When Porsche decides that this roadside car should also learn how to swim. A Land Rover on the highway pulled off a surprise dance move that caught everyone's attention.
人呐、就在我前面呢。好了，等一下你在那边等啊。
Praying in the street, faith was tested, but luckily everyone remained safe. Brake failure was the main cause, but this incident highlights the importance of thoroughly checking the vehicle before starting a long trip, especially when carrying many passengers.
Ты прикинь, ебать.
This was a hot experience in every sense of the word. Luckily, everyone was safe and there were no serious consequences. Truck lost control and crashed on a village road, destroying 2 houses. Luckily, no one was injured. A Chinese driver struggled to navigate a wide curve as if driving through a maze, making you wonder if all that confusion was really necessary. A high-speed chase in Atlanta ended when a Chrysler 300 SRT8 was finally stopped by police after a series of reckless maneuvers. The driver, who blew a tire after hitting a curb, kept running and put other vehicles and pedestrians in danger. No injuries were reported, and the incident remains under investigation. A giant truck made a slight turn, but it was enough to create a very busy morning for the Minneapolis Fire Department. This is a typical argument between couples. When one knows the other is having an affair, they often lose control and disregard each other's safety. Oh my God! He miraculously escaped death! If there hadn't been a camera recording the moment, everyone would have thought this was something straight out of a movie. A surprise move that left the robbers completely baffled. This is why you should slow down and avoid overtaking when the road is covered in snow and mud. Luckily, no one was injured in this accident. Police say the man tried to run his girlfriend's car off the road multiple times after a family argument on New Year's Day. The moment the tractor trailer flipped off the highway, it landed upside down and burst into flames. According to police, the truck had collided with another vehicle, causing it to veer off the shoulder. The driver was 71 years old. An elderly couple took a wide turn and ended up in the wrong lane, but thankfully, everyone was fine. This car lost control and crashed into a tow truck, leaving it badly damaged, a completely random and unexpected accident. The driver sped through a side street and took off like an action hero. What a legend! car was towed away for parking past the time limit, probably an expensive lesson for that girl. A distracted pickup truck driver crashed into an SUV, causing a chain reaction. Luckily, there were no serious injuries. Police said the driver admitted to running a red light and will face a fine.
Let me see your hands. Get out. Keep your hands up.